So in this video I want to show you how to handle nested trades, trades within trades going in the opposite directions of each other. So we have this good move from the market, and I've drawn my Fibonacci tool on it, and I have also drawn my ray line on the CVD line indicator, and I'm looking for longs whenever prices in this green zone and bears are oversold. So here we have, for example, a good CSB in response to that, and that would have been a good trade. Now eventually the market puts in this move. This down move was pretty good, so we mark it out, and we also mark out the top here, but this time we make it red because we're looking for shorts. So we want bulls to be above this line, and we want to be inside the red area instead. And this happens over here. So now we start thinking about looking for a CSB, and it comes a bit late, but it comes here. So this is a short trade. Like that. So this is also how you can range trade something. If you can identify a range, you can look at the extremes of the range and make sure that you're oversold or overbought here on the CVD line as well.